Where am I going to wear this to in the next 1 year? We're locked down. Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. If you're new on here, my name is Tonia, and you guys, I have been crazy shopping for things that I'm probably not going to use for the next 1 year because we're all locked down. I mean, where am I going to wear a freaking swimming suit to? I have no idea, but you guys, I guess sometimes boredom makes you buy things. Although most of the stuffs are important, okay, there are things that I need right now, but I wanted to show you a lot of things that I have been online buying, and there are a lot. So one that I already unboxed is this beautiful Fashion Nova shoe. I really love it. This was picked by the mister. He has a very good taste. So yeah, this is what it looks like, which you guys already know. I am not going to be wearing this shoe anywhere anytime soon. You see how clean it is because I haven't worn it anywhere. I mean, where can I wear it to? How much was this? I think I threw away the prices. If you guys want to know the price of the stuff, just let me know, okay? But yeah, it came in this box. I already unboxed that. As you can see, Fashion Nova. So that's one. I actually got two shoes. This cute one also. This one I wore it in the house and I took a picture with it. Like I did a little photo section at home. So I wore this. So this is what it looks like in the front. You can see Fashion Nova right on there. So that's the second thing that I bought. So let me show you guys like all the fashion things before we get into the non-fashion stuff. When I say I bought things that I may never use, I mean stuff like this. Look at this. This is a bathing suit. This is a swimming suit. It's a 3-piece. It comes with a bra and a bottom and top, and then it comes with this thing that you can wear. I don't know if you guys get the fashion. It's like net, so you wear it on it. So it's a 3-piece. It comes like this together. It's also Fashion Nova, and you guys have seen this in the last video. It's a 2-piece top and bottom like that. So you guys saw this in the last video that I made. That's what I was wearing. It's also Fashion Nova. And you guys, look at this. Where am I going to wear this to in the next 1 year? I'm not going anywhere. We're quarantined. But yeah, I still got it anyways. Oh, I didn't get it. The mister did. And I also wore this a few days ago because I had a little photo shoot. So I wore this guy. It's a red dress. Very sexy. This is what it looks like. That's also Fashion Nova. That's it for like the fashion stuff. Now let's go into the non-fashion stuff. Right here is the ring light that I told you guys was coming. So we're going to unbox this guy and we're going to see what it looks like. It comes in this black guy like that. Ooh. I'm just gonna leave all those things in here until I'm ready to set them up. So the other things that we bought are games. This was the Monopoly we got the last time, right? This time we got another type of Monopoly. If you guys have seen this show on Netflix called Stranger Things, please let me know in the comment section, okay? But this is a Netflix show called Stranger Things. So we got the Monopoly in it. So this is what it looks like. You open it up like that. You have all of these things inside, and this is the main board where you play it on. I'm going to link the video where we played this other Monopoly so you can see what it's like. These are all the things inside. We have money, all the cards that tells you what to do. All these things are like the things you put on the stuff and all of this. So that's what this guy looks like. But now we have two Monopolies, right? We have Rick and Morty, and then we have Stranger Things. And then we bought Fear Punk. Apparently this game is internet famous. I even saw some of it on YouTube, and it is a crazy game. Like, they dare you to do all sorts of things. They dared this girl to lick chocolate off of someone's armpit. So I was like, that's gross. But yeah, this game is basically just like a challenge. You dare people to do stuff. This is what it looks like in there. These cards basically tell you all the things they want you to do. I dare you to do this or blah blah blah, and if you can't do it, drink or just, you know, all of that. So that's another game that we bought. And then the other game we bought is called Cards Against Humanity. This is what it looks like inside. Just lots of cards. So most of this game I have to learn how to play them, because I obviously don't. It's the mister that is familiar with most of these games, so he's the one that teaches me. And sometimes even when he doesn't know like the game, we both learn it together. We read the manual and we learn it together. So that's what we like to do. We like to wing it. We just have fun together. So I have decided that I am going to set this lights up right now, because what's the point wasting time? Let's go to the hallway and set it up so that I will see what it looks like. Hopefully you guys are going to be getting bomb content from now on, you know. So yeah, let's do that. What it looks like. So I think it extends and it becomes taller like that. Ooh, so it can go all the way up, can even go higher and higher. Wow. Guys, so this is what it looks like, and there are two of them. I'm going to plug it to the light. Let's see what it looks like. So ooh, you guys see the difference, right? Let me put it on myself. So now that you guys have seen me assemble this one, I'm just going to do the other one off camera, because there's no need for me to do it all over again for you guys to see, because I already did one. So I'm just going to do the other one. You guys, I need to show you guys my surrounding. Like right now, everywhere is messed up. Look at this. Look at all this mess. Here are the clothes I just showed you guys. But yes guys, those are all of the things that we have been buying. You have not even seen half of the things we've been buying, because the rest of the other things are Mr. stuff. He's been buying clothes, shoes. I don't know if being on lockdown kind of makes you bored and then you just want to buy things, but I feel like we've been buying things a lot. And I am telling you, next week there are more things coming in, but they are mostly skincare stuff. You guys know that I've been dealing with acne for quite a while now, and some people recommended that I should check out this brand called The Ordinary. So I ordered a lot of skincare stuff from Amazon. When those ones come, I will show you guys. But yeah guys, let me know which of these items were like your favorite items and I might send you one. I'm going to go take off my makeup, take a shower and just chill and watch Netflix. So yeah, thank you guys for shopping with me.
First thing we're going to do, we're going to use this thing called eyeliner, okay? First thing you want to do is apply it to the face.
No!